Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a J magazine effect using Higgsfield AI, and this is what the J magazine effect looks like. So all you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign up and choose the app section, scroll to the J magazine, select it, and you'll be brought to this page. Now on this page you can see what the video effect looks like, and you can see this is the original image uploaded, and this was the video created using that particular image and the effect. So all you have to do now is to upload an image, click on the upload section, and select the image you wish to upload from your folder. Then scroll down and switch this to video because it's normally in image. Select video, and you can see it says it costs about 16 credits for generation, which is quite fair because you'll be given a free account once you sign up on Higgsfield AI, and you can actually create one or two effects for free every day, and that's really crazy for Higgsfield. So it means you have this on a platter. So once you're done, click on generate video, and in the next few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, your video would be generated for you. Then you can go on to download it to your computer. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.